The 12th most common question is that why are non-Muslims not allowed in the holy cities of Makkah and Medina? Every country has got its certain restricted areas called the cantonment area. Only those people who are enrolled in the defense and the military of the country, they are allowed in this cantonment area. Though I'm a citizen of India, yet I'm not permitted to enter certain restricted areas called the cantonment areas. Only those people who are enrolled in the defense and the military of the country, they are allowed in this cantonment area. Similarly, the cantonment area of Islam are the two holy cities of Makkah and Medina. Only those people who believe in Allah and are ready to live and die for Islam, they are allowed in this cantonment area. And another reason that I can think of is that whenever we want to go to a country, we require a visa. And one of the most difficult countries to get the visa is the United States of America. They ask you several questions. Nowadays, they even ask you, are you a terrorist? Do you belong to a terrorist organization? I am asking the question, has anyone said yes? So unless you fulfill the terms and conditions, you will not be permitted to get the visa. Similarly, if you happen to go to Singapore, on the immigration form it is mentioned, death to drug traffickers. So if you want to enter Singapore, you have to abide by the rule. You can't say death penalty, such a barbaric law. If you want to enter Singapore, you have to abide by the rule. Similarly, the visa for entering the two holy cities of Makkah and Medina is to say with our lips, La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah. There is no God but Allah, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he is the messenger of Allah. If anyone says, La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah, then no human being can stop you from entering the two holy cities of Makkah and Medina.